Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Now add 2 cups of rava or semolina and roast it for 5 minutes. Stir continuously. Turn off the flame and transfer this into a basin bowl and allow it to cool. Add 2 cups of jaggery powder, 2 cups of grated coconut, half tsp of cardamom powder, a little salt and 6 ripened bananas. Mash the bananas, mix well and prepare the dough. Boil water in an idli cooker. Meanwhile, take a small ball of the dough and flatten it on a piece of banana leaf. Now fold the leaf. Do the same process for the remaining dough. Keep the steamer plate inside the idli maker. Place it one by one on the steamer plate. Steam cook this for 15 minutes. Now turn off the flame. Take it out and allow it to cool. Yummy Ela Ada is ready to serve. Please try it out and post your feedback.